Good evening and welcome. And today I am going to show you and I am going to explain how to make a road or how to build a road in Bangalore. So I will show you some picture here and I'm going to show you some video clip. You can understand and you will be learn something new from here. A very nice place. Bangalore is growing very fast state in Karnataka in India. So let's go and check out it. So this is the road. I saw you already picture one here. I think after 15 days it will be pitch like a highway. They will put some tar, then it's okay. See, correct time. If I not reach correct time, he will abuse me. He will always speak, why did you come late? You have to come at proper time. And I don't care anybody. Okay, I have been staying here. I have been working at the Grand since 2 years and I know everything. So thank you very much. I have a request to all of you. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications directly from latest uploads. Thank you very much.